Today we're checking out this Jeep licensed by RedRock console storage tray for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. If you're tired of losing your phone and sunglasses in between the console and the seat, and you need a better storage solution, this is one of those simple little upgrades that makes your Jeep feel way more livable every single day, so it's definitely worth looking into. This tray is all about adding usable storage where you actually need it. It sits right in your center console area and helps organize all the small stuff that usually ends up slipping around, rattling, or getting buried at the bottom in between the seats. It's perfect for things like your phone, keys, sunglasses, gum, chargers, basically anything you want to grab fast without digging around the car. On top of that, it keeps a factory-like look with this Jeep logo showing off your Jeep pride, so it's like a factory plus piece and not like a random add-on that clashes with your interior. And since it's vehicle specific for your Jeep, it's the kind of piece that looks right at home in your Wrangler instead of looking like a cheap universal tray that doesn't quite fit right. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a durable injection molded ABS with an OEM style lightly textured black finish. It's built to handle daily use without getting too flimsy, and the texture helps it blend in with the factory plastics so it looks intentional, not like an aftermarket afterthought. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around the $60 price range. That's a very fair price for something that you'll use every single day, and it's a lot nicer than stuffing random organizers in there that slide around or look out of place. And getting something that's Jeep branded for that low of a price is a pretty solid win in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this on in just 1 minute of your time. So let's head on out to the shop, and they're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
All right, today we're going to be installing a center console storage tray in our Wrangler, so let's get started. All right, so this is going to sit right in front of our gear shifter and our four-wheel drive selector. Now you want to make sure your center console area is nice and clean before installing this. And it's a very simple process. There are no tools required. You want to remove the cover off your adhesive backing of each side. For demonstration purposes, we're not going to remove those right now. And we're just going to slide this over. Sit it nice and flush in front of our gear shift. And once you have it in position, you want to give it a little push so that adhesive grabs on both sides, and you're good to go. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our Jeep licensed by RedRock console storage tray for your 18 to current Jeep Wrangler JL. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.